Let's look at this graph a little bit more closely. So you can see going up the y-axis we have demand quantity and time along the bottom. And in black we're showing customer demand, actual real end customer demand. And it's flat, and then there's a little increase, and then it's flat again. Just one small step increase. Well, what happens with the retailer? Well, they have a little bit of a lag. They obviously have to have the sales, notice them, and then react to them with their own orders. So there's a lag, and then possibly anticipating a bit of extra demand, they maybe over-order just a tiny bit. But that flattens itself out to the new level very quickly over the next few orders. However, the next step up the chain, the distributor, sees a little bit of a larger increase in orders from their customer, the retailers, and places larger orders themselves. Again, there's that same lag, and possibly they see this step change increase in demand and think, well, we better bolster up our safety stock as well, so add a little bit more in there. One more tier up the supply chain, again, more lag and possibly more overreaction. They see this even bigger step change in demand because all they see is the increase in orders placed upon them from their customer, just one step below them in the chain. And so what started as a little one-time step increase in end customer demand has a lag on every single step up the chain and an increase, an amplification in that variation of demand. Fulfilling each of those peaks in demand means extra stress, maybe overtime, expediting orders. And then in the troughs, idle excess capacity and unused waiting inventory.